In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove author from the file properties in Excel. If you share spreadsheets widely or publish them externally, the author field in a file's properties can expose personal details you might not want to distribute. The good news is that Excel lets you clear that field quickly, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it step by step and add a few tips to avoid common hiccups. Start by opening your workbook in Excel. Look to the very top left corner of the window and select File. This takes you into Excel's Backstage view, which is where the app keeps commands related to your document as a whole, rather than the cells inside it. On the left side of Backstage, choose Info. This is the hub for your document's metadata and protection settings. On the right, you'll see a section labeled Properties, and within that, you should notice an area called Author. If the file has one or more authors recorded, their names will appear there. Now move your mouse to the author name you want to clear, and right-click it. A small context menu will appear. Choose Remove Person. As soon as you do, Excel removes that name from the author list. If there are multiple names and you want to clear them all, simply repeat that action for each one. You'll see the author field update immediately. That's it. The author information has been cleared from the file's properties. The change is stored with the document, so the next time the file is saved and shared, the cleared author field carries with it. If you return to the info page later and the field is still empty, you'll know the change has stuck. A few quick pointers. If you don't see any names under author, then the file doesn't currently have an author recorded, and there's nothing to remove. If the Remove Person option is missing or grayed out, it usually means the file is read-only, you don't have edit permissions, or it's temporarily locked by another process, such as co-authoring or a sync operation. Once you have full edit access, the option should appear. Keep in mind that some managed environments can automatically repopulate author data based on organizational settings when others edit the file later. Lastly, remember that clearing the author field is focused on this single property. It doesn't change the content of your workbook, and it doesn't automatically remove other kinds of personal information. For today's task, removing the author from file properties, the info page method you just used is the direct, reliable approach.